Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook event. Alright, so I'm here on my Facebook profile right now, and I just want to click on Home. And Facebook changes things around all the time, but you want to find the Events tab, and in this case, it's right here on the left-hand side. I'm going to click that. Then you want to click on Create Event. From here, it's going to ask you if you want to create a private event or a public event. A private event, only invited guests will see the event. The host can choose to let guests invite other people. And then the public event is anyone can see this event and search for it, even if you're not friends. So in this case, I'm going to be creating a private event. I'm actually creating a Christmas event for our family Christmas party that we have every year. Alright, so we can upload a photo or we can use the recommended themes. I remember I used this desert theme for my sister's bachelorette when we were going to Arizona, which is a deserty type place. So that was like a perfect one for that. But I think I want to upload a photo from previous past years. So I'm going to click upload photo. And this is the photo I want to use. So we can drag and position the photo. This was of a couple years ago of our Christmas party. I call it the Christmas Olympics because I usually have games during the party. So I'm going to position it just like something like this. And then event name, Christmas Olympics 2018. Include a place or address. I'm just gonna put Justine's building. They'll know what that means. Enter a city. Okay. And then date and time. So this is Christmas Eve. And we'll start it at 7 p.m. And I'm going to leave these bottom two ones checked. Guests can invite friends and show guest list. So I'm just going to put a quick little note here. Okay, so I wrote a quick little blurb here. I wrote, hey everyone, it's that time of the year for the Christmas Olympics 2018. It's going to be a potluck, so please share what you will be bringing. The theme is going to be Christmas socks, so wear your craziest Christmas socks. So you can put whatever you want in the description, and now I'm going to click Create Private Event. Okay, so now that we've created the event, I'm going to go and invite a bunch of people. So you can either click this or this. So I'm going to click invite, and then I'm just going to start choosing some people. Okay, once you're done going through your list, you can click send invites. Alright, so everyone has been invited, and then when people say that they're going or they're maybe going or they've declined, you can see that stuff here. So that's how you create a Facebook event. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.